So Xiaomi's back with their next flagship lineup, the 17 Pro and Pro Max. And yeah, let's be honest, the first thing you'll notice is how much they look like iPhones. Same naming scheme, same boxy design, even a camera plateau that feels straight out of Cupertino. But here's the twist. Xiaomi's turned that plateau into a full-blown second display. Let's start with the basics. Inside the box, you're getting the usual flagship goodies, but with Xiaomi flair. A 100-watt charger in the box, a USB-C cable, and even a frosted hard case. Already more than Apple gives you. The Pro is the smaller one, but it still packs a 6,300 mAh battery, 25% bigger than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Pro Max? A ridiculous 7,500 mAh. Both lighter than Apple's equivalent thanks to Xiaomi's silicon carbon battery tech. And performance? No compromises. We're talking Snapdragon Elite Gen 5, 16 gigs of RAM, the fastest storage out there. Benchmarks show it beating Samsung's S25 Ultra, and while it can run warm, the sustained performance stays rock solid. Now that back screen, it's not some half-baked gimmick. Same 3000 nit brightness, same 1 to 120 Hz refresh, same responsiveness as the front. You can slap on clock faces, animated pets, or even AI-generated video wallpapers. It feels excessive, but in the best way. You can pin notes, QR codes, even run a music player without touching the main display. It's basically Xiaomi's take on Dynamic Island, but more ambitious. The camera setup is where it really shines. 3 solid rear shooters with detail on par with iPhone 17 Pro Max. And then the magic happens. Flip to the back screen and suddenly you're taking selfies with the main cameras. Portrait mode, ultra wide, even 8K video. It's hands down the best selfie quality I've ever seen on a phone. And Xiaomi didn't stop there. They built a case that doubles as a gaming controller powered by the phone itself. So you can literally play games on that tiny back display. Is it useful? Not really. But does it make for a killer TikTok clip? Absolutely. So here's the verdict. On paper, the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max are absolute beasts. Huge batteries, cutting-edge chips, gorgeous displays. The rear screen? Sometimes genius, sometimes gimmick. But it's enough to get people talking. Because love it or hate it, Xiaomi just made the boldest flagship of the year. The only question is, do you want a phone that looks like an iPhone? Or the one that just might outdo it?